Ever wondered how meteorologists predict the weather, or how financial analysts forecast stock market trends? The secret lies in understanding and analyzing time series data. Welcome to this exploration of time series data analysis, where we'll start with the basics and gradually delve into more advanced topics. Firstly, let's unravel the mystery of what time series data is. It's a sequence of data points indexed in time order, with time playing a crucial role. Time series data can be found in various fields, from economics to biology, and it's used to forecast future events based on historical data. Now, when working with time series data, two concepts are paramount: stationarity and seasonality. Stationarity means that the statistical properties of a process generating a time series do not change over time. It's a fundamental concept because most time series models work on the assumption that the time series is stationary. On the other hand, seasonality is a characteristic of a time series in which the data experiences regular and predictable changes that recur every calendar year. Any predictable fluctuation or pattern that recurs over a one-year period is said to be seasonal. Next in line is the concept of autocorrelation, a statistical relationship between a variable's current value and its past values. It's a crucial element in time series analysis, as it helps in understanding the nature of the data and predicting future values. Now, once you've got a handle on these basics, it's time to progress to advanced topics such as forecasting models. One such popular model is ARIMA, which stands for Autoregressive Integrated Moving Average. It's a forecasting method that uses the idea of regression, moving averages, and differencing to make predictions. But the journey doesn't end here. In the era of artificial intelligence, deep learning techniques are becoming increasingly popular for time series forecasting. These techniques use artificial neural networks with multiple layers to deliver high-accuracy predictions. No discussion about time series analysis would be complete without mentioning the tools of the trade. Python and R are two programming languages that are widely used for time series analysis due to their powerful libraries and easy-to-understand syntax. To summarize, time series data analysis is a powerful technique that allows us to use historical data to predict future trends. Starting with understanding what time series data is, we then delve into the fundamental concepts of stationarity, seasonality, and autocorrelation. We also cover advanced topics such as ARIMA and deep learning techniques, and highlight the importance of tools like Python and R for effective analysis. By mastering these concepts, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the predictive potential of time-dependent data, aiding effective decision-making in various fields. Subscribe for more insightful videos like this, and remember, the journey of learning never ends. Thanks for tuning in.